Welcome to Forex Art. Today we are going to show you the performance of one of the most powerfully of Phoenix Blizzard Gold. This is optimized to trade the gold pairs, most volatile and profitable instruments in the market. M1 timeframe, perfect for quick scalping entries and exits. You only need $100 minimum deposit to get started, making it accessible for traders at any level. Its original price is $1,599. We are offering for $25. One-time payment, no hidden fees, lifetime license. Let's take a closer look at how BE is performing live in real market conditions. This hour has delivered an impressive 194% account growth. Risk is tightly controlled with drawdown of 5%. Now let's run it in MT4. Visit forexamart.com and grab the A at our limited time price offer.